Skywatchers. We're all Skywatchers, right? Like
Skywatchers.
just like Luke Skywatcher in Star Wars, right?
Was it?
Okay, so we have Nick here to talk about when we could see this. One of the best spots. Where should we go?
Yeah, so sunset today, 5:58, and if you want to see all the planets, right, and you have your binoculars, you want to do that before 7 o'clock tonight.
Okay.
Because we start seeing.
You have less than 2 hours. You got to get out there and see it then.
because Saturn and Mercury will then go below the horizon after that. So, you know, it's going to be short from now. So here's where you want to look. Of course, away from city lights and more of a rural dark space, you want to look down to the south, all right? And then if you look down to the south and then toward your right, which would be the west direction facing south, then you start to see a lot of the planets aligned together, along with Jupiter and Mars. And Jupiter is going to be looking south, but also way up, almost about 45 to 75 degrees up. So that's where you're going to be seeing those planets. But again, after 7 o'clock, then some of those start to dip below the horizon here in Northern California. So you won't see all of them at once if you wait till 8, 9 o'clock this evening. And you know what? We do have clear skies too, especially north of Highway 50. You get down to the south over parts of San Joaquin County and Stanislaus County, you have more of those higher clouds that may obstruct some of the view, especially further south into the Central Valley. So further north, especially in the Sacramento Valley and in our foothill communities north of Highway 50, you're clear of clouds, and you'll have great visibility for that. Tomorrow, holding on to another sunny day, beautiful weather tomorrow, but by Sunday, we have this system coming in, and that's what's prompted winter weather advisories to go into effect for the Sierra for the higher elevations above 4,500 feet. But the bulk of the winter impacts on Sunday above 6,000 feet. So let's time this out for you hour by hour, getting into Saturday. We'll stop the clock here at 12 o'clock. You can see the timestamp there. Notice all the sunshine that we have in place. Temperature Saturday getting close to 70 degrees yet again. But Saturday night, the clouds roll in, and overnight into Sunday morning, we start to see the rainfall developing and then the snow coming down across the Sierra. And here's the key to the forecast on Sunday with respect to thunderstorms. If we break out with a couple of hours of sunshine, breaks in the cloud cover, then we'll have likely enough instability to result in some thunderstorms. That's where Futurecast is starting to show up here near Stockton, down toward the San Joaquin Valley. So essentially south of I-80, you'll have the best chance to run into some of the thunderstorms as a result of that. But the Sacramento Valley, not a washout. We'll just see a few of those showers rolling around, and then by Monday, a lot of this activity winds down. Just a few lingering snow showers up there across the Sierra. But I'll show you the snowfall forecast for the high country above 6,000 feet, and that's where we have 4 to 8 inches of snow in the forecast there. Most of that, again, coming to an end. But next week, very different than this week. Not as warm, much cooler, and other chances of some lighter showers and more snow showers, especially mid next week. Marley?
Yeah, we knew we weren't out of it just yet. Thank you, Nick.